Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out FitKyt. FitKyt makes incredible fitness gear, but works in a wellness piece into it. You're basically getting the full self-improvement package. Everyone wants to get into shape, but people often forget to take care of the mental health part of getting in shape, and keeping a healthy mind actually is really important when you're trying to get into fitness. It's important to keep you from losing your mind. I mean, it's only your sanity we're talking about here. It's not a big deal. Today we're checking out FitKyt's Ultimate Yoga Pack. This pack comes with a Cork Yoga Mat, a wood and cork yoga wheel, a yoga strap, a scented candle to give you that nice ambiance when you're doing your yoga mat cleaner to obviously keep your yoga mat clean, and wood and cork yoga blocks. Everything you'd possibly need to get started or to have a really nice, all-natural looking set. It matches. It's nice. Environmental sustainability is actually a really big part of FitKyt's model and just their overall mission, what they believe in. So they choose very specific materials to make sure that they're offering a low impact product. There's not a lot of synthetic materials in what they make. And that obviously really speaks to their usage of cork and wood primarily, and even with the ingredients they use in their candle and the yoga mat cleaner. And on top of all that, they match. They look really, really great. They're all natural materials and it's just really attractive material. Who doesn't love some cork? As far as cleanliness goes, obviously you have the yoga mat cleaner, which is great to keep all of these products clean, but the cork yoga mat, cork and wood yoga wheel, and the cork and wood yoga blocks all have an antimicrobial surface. So it does help prevent the surface of these things from getting funky. On top of that, the yoga straps are machine washable. So really easy to keep clean. The Cork Yoga Mat has a natural tree rubber bottom. It is waterproof, non-slip, and works on both sides. If you prefer the rubber side, that totally works. If you prefer the cork side, that's great too. You got options. It is 4 millimeters thick, and it is 72 by 26 inches. Plenty of room to get your practice in. The two eco-friendly cork yoga blocks are super lightweight. They are still firm, so you get a good grip and base on them. And they have rounded edges, so it's easier to grip all together and just handle. The FitKyt Yoga Strap offers fantastic grip. It's not too complicated of a product, it's very straightforward. It has a few D-ring loops on it, so it actually can loop into itself and work as a yoga mat strap to keep your yoga mat closed and just make it a little easier to carry. The cork and wood yoga wheel is incredible for adjusting and stretching your spine. Obviously, the cork and the wood gives it a really nice, clean, natural look to it. And the cork provides a great cushioned surface. Honestly, if you have one of these bad boys, you'll probably never go back to a foam roller. The Lavender Bergamot Yoga Mat The Lavender Bergamot Yoga Mat Cleaner. The Lavender Bergamot Yoga Mat Cleaner is, damn, say that 3 times fast. It's a great yoga mat cleaner with very few ingredients, so it does have all natural ingredients. It's not filled with chemicals. There's only 4 ingredients in it, and that includes alcohol, essential oils, witch hazel, and purified water. That's it. That's all that's in this. It's enough to keep everything clean, and it smells great. It's not super aggressive scented. It's relatively easy on the nose, and it doesn't linger too long. It's really everything you need from yoga mat cleaner. Keeps it clean. And it smells great. Lastly, they have a Lavender Bergamot scented candle, kind of that theme of lavender bergamot. It's really nice, really clean, and it's very relaxing. It's the perfect cherry on top of the FitKyt Ultimate Yoga package. And there's only really 3 ingredients. It's a soy wax candle with fragrance and essential oils. Super straightforward. Whether you're looking to just get started with yoga or a seasoned yoga practitioner, FitKyt's Ultimate Yoga Pack really has everything you need to get started. This pack really does have everything you need and a really high quality version of everything you would need. On top of offering fantastic gear, FitKyt is also putting together some yoga videos and tutorials, different exercise videos, so you can get some better ideas of how to best use your FitKyt Ultimate Yoga Pack, or maybe some of FitKyt's other fantastic fitness gear. Check them out. That's it for our first look of FitKyt's Ultimate Yoga Pack. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. The feedback helps for me. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know how much you like this. Maybe you like my shirt. Maybe you like the scented candle. I don't know. Let me know. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification after you subscribe. There's a lot of steps. Sorry. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti First Look coming at you next week.